In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted contacts on Android phone. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to our settings application. Once we're here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see Google as one of the options. Then go over to all services. Now, go ahead and scroll down again. And then you want to go to backup and restore. Now, if we press restore contacts right here, I have nothing to restore right now. But what we want to first do is go to Google Contact Sync, make sure Google Contact Sync is turned on, and that way you're going to be able to restore your contacts whenever you need to. Then once it's turned on, go back, then go to restore contacts, and then you're going to have your contacts right here ready to restore for you. Just make sure, let's say if you're doing this on another phone and you're restoring them from another phone, just make sure you're logged into the same Google account. Otherwise there's no way of it working, because that's how it's linked through your Google account. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.